I don't need no gas tanks, bruh. What's the point in grilling then, bruh? Chef Boy RD. Chef Oos RD, rather. Now we would always grill like when Yoko come in town. Uncle Yoko was in the building, we grilling. That's that secret sauce right there, bruh. You just marinate the chicken in there, bruh. Some of y'all like that dry ass chicken with no salt and pepper on it, cuz. You wanna hear the best sound in the world? Get close, Oos. That sound. It sound like when I be whooping Roman Reigns' ass, putting that hot on his ass, dude. Yeah, man, you gotta eat together, Oos. Always eat together. That's how we grew